we will create this real estate bot in Intercom. I'm gonna show you a preview right here. So it sends this information about the real estate property, and then it gives us some options. I wanna schedule a viewing. And let's say I wanna schedule it at 6/12/2024, 18 p.m. or just 18. So that's 6 p.m. Yeah. So the AI is gonna submit a ticket with this information. Thank you. Our agents will confirm the appointment shortly. So then I can return and get more information about neighborhood. It's gonna give it to me. Or general inquiry, I can ask the AI anything about this property. So let's make this. Let's start by going here into automation. And I'm gonna create a new workflow. It's gonna be from scratch and reusable workflow. Or you can also say user sends any message as trigger. So save this. Let me title it real estate property list conversation. Now let's go to this file. You can find this in the description below, or you can just follow this video, but then you will have to write this manually. So I'm gonna copy this first message. This is what user sends. So send a message here. It's gonna be this message. Then let's go add step and say reply buttons. So the first button is schedule viewing. Second button is reply button. Then we have apply, make an offer. And the last one, we have general inquiry. So if the first option is selected, then we're gonna send this message. So I'm gonna click here and send a message. Provide your preferred date and time. And then here's what I'm gonna do. So if I say convert to ticket, it's going to ask user also to provide more details. So let's just leave it like this. So converting to a ticket will give user a chance to enter more details, and it will save this as a ticket for our customer support. And then message at the end, it's going to be thank you, like all of this. Okay, so we want to redirect into the beginning and create ticket. So I should delete this. So here at the end, we can, I think, redirect like this. So now the ticket will be created, user inputs data, and then it goes back into this beginning again. But what you can also do is separate these buttons into a separate thing here, so it doesn't send this message. And then you can just go from here to these buttons. Actually, let's just go here and delete this connection. And let's connect this to, let's say buttons, so reply buttons. And I actually want to copy all 3 of these, or all 4 of these. And I'm going to make another one. So I want to have separate reply buttons, so we can redirect every, after we finish with these requests, to this one. And then we don't need to send this message every time. So let's now schedule a view, connect back to this one. Okay. Now let's go to the next step. I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to go back. So learn more about neighborhood. I'm just going to send a message. And that's it. I don't need this last sentence. Would you like to schedule a viewing or apply now? Okay, and then we want to connect this. How do I connect this? So I need to scroll down, I think, and then like that. Yeah, so then we go back to these options. And then this option goes here as well. Now let's scroll down to apply, make an offer. So I'm going to copy this text. So apply, make an offer. We're going to send a message. I will copy this text. And I'm going to convert to ticket like that. It's going to be support request. And at the end, we're going to send another message. Thank you for applying. And the thing is, this converting to support request will tell the user to add additional information. So I can say, and then we want to say apply, make an offer to go into this one. And at the end, we want to go up if I could. So I think I'm going to scroll like this. And put it. Actually, let's go up to these options. And let's rename this to options, this node. And then let's go down and here click connect to existing path options, like that. Now it's possible. And the last one is let fin answer. So when we have general inquiry, we will say, please explain in more detail your inquiry. And then we're going to say let fin answer. And then when it says talk to a person, I want to say reply, create a ticket, convert to a ticket. And then like that, and that's it. So if they want to talk to a person, we convert this to a ticket. And after that, let's go to options, the same again. And this general inquiry, let's connect it to this G path. I think it's G path. Yeah, it's F path, never mind. Okay, let me delete this one. Delete. So we need to connect this to F path to go here. One important thing I forgot is here. So in the beginning, schedule viewing, this one, the B path, we need to add capture, collect customer reply, and let's move this before convert to support ticket. And let's do the same here in F path, or there is E path, where you have fantastic, please provide contact information, etc. Let's say customer reply, and then move this before the ticket. And then here in G path, converting to a ticket, we're going to send a message. Thank you for your submission. Our support team will reach out soon. And then we will connect this end node to these options, and that's it. Thank you for watching. You can find these materials in the description below. I provide one-on-one coaching for Intercom, so you can contact me below.